Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this week we're going to revisit a technique we did I think a few videos ago, or the last one, I'm not sure anymore. I do so much. But last time we used wax paper. We put our acrylic on it, then we put our canvas over it, and what it did was fantastic. You can see it just now. But there's a lot of way you can do this. Like I did slide just a little bit my canvas before taking it out. But you can do a different way to do it. This time, what we're going to do, well, we're going to do two things different. Instead of wax paper, we're going to use parchment paper. So I'm not sure what is the difference. I think the difference is the stickiness, if you want, from the acrylic on this kind of paper. I'm not sure. Well, we're going to see. And like I said, there's a different way to go at it. This time, instead of, like I said, sliding it just a little bit, we're going to take it off all the way. We won't slide it or anything. So we see how it goes, and I think we're maybe going to be able to do two canvas before, because last time we could have done it, but I didn't have some canvas. But now I have some, so we're going to take two if it takes two. So guys, let's go and see what happens. So guys, I hope you're gonna agree with me that the result is fantastic. The only thing though, I didn't see a difference. I don't think there's a difference either between the wax paper and the parchment paper. If there is one, well, I have to admit that I don't see it. So I don't think it's a big influence on the result. I don't think that one or the other, if you have some wax paper and you don't have the other one, don't bother with it. There's no difference. At least for me, there isn't difference. I think both of them are very, very nice. I think, again, it's a nice finish. And did you see all the cells and everything? And again, we didn't use any silicone or white glue or anything else. So I think, again, we prove again and again that you can have a great result without resolving to use products on the side. Just water and acrylic, and it does the job. And I think that once again we prove we can make something very nice with unusual colors, because I know that I don't use colors that are usually taken, but again, that's why I take those colors, because it's unusual and I want to make something special and unique. So anything goes. You see, that's the thing about dirty pouring. You can do anything you want, and most of the time it's gonna look great. So guys, again, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're gonna try it, because again, I don't think it's that messy. I think it's quite nice. Even I should say that it's even less messy than when we do a flip cup or something like that. I think it's nicer. It's a nice way to go about it. You don't have any control over it. even if you think you have, you don't have any control. You can control a little bit of the colors, but apart of the colors, you forget about it. You don't have any control. So again, that's nice. And please guys, like always, subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care guys.